Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Math Cafe. In today's class, we'll discuss some case study based questions of chapter areas related to circles. The links of other chapters are provided in the description box. So please go through the links in the description box. So let's begin our today's session. सर्कल चैप्टर में हमने एरिया ऑफ सेगमेंट, एरिया ऑफ सेक्टर और प्रीवियस क्लासेस में हमने एरिया ऑफ सर्कल एंड पेरीमीटर ऑफ सर्कल के बारे में पढ़ा था. सो आज के क्वेश्चंस बेसिकली यही चारों चीज पर डिपेंडेंट है. सो लेट्स लुक एट आवर केस स्टडी नंबर 1. As we know, in case study questions, basically some figures or some situations are given, and based on those figures or those situations, some questions are given, and we have to solve those questions. So, in first question, case study 1, the question is, or a figure is given here, and this is a design of rangoli, or you can say pokulam is the flower bed or flower pattern designed during Onam in Kerala. It is similar as rangoli in North India and kolam in Tamil Nadu. During the festival of Onam, your school is planning to conduct a pokulam competition. Your friend, who is a partner in competition, suggests two designs given below. Observe the figure carefully. So this is design 1 and this is design 2. In design 1, this design is made with circle of radius 32 centimeter. यहाँ पर आपको सर्कल का रेडियस दे दिया गया है फर्स्ट डिजाइन में. Leaving equilateral triangle ABC in the middle as shown in the given figure. So ABC एक equilateral triangle है जो कि एक सर्कल में इंस्क्राइब्ड है जिसका रेडियस 32 सेंटीमीटर है. ये हो गया हमारा डिजाइन नंबर 1. सो डिजाइन 2 में क्या है? दिस पोकुलम इज मेड विथ 9 सर्कुलर डिजाइन ईच ऑफ रेडियस 7 सेंटीमीटर. As you can see here, 9 small circles are there. So radius दिया गया है 7 सेंटीमीटर. So उसका डायमीटर हो जाएगा 14. So 14 सेंटीमीटर प्लस 14 सेंटीमीटर प्लस 14 सेंटीमीटर इधर हो गया. So the total this length will be 42 सेंटीमीटर. और अगर हम BC ले लेंगे, यहाँ भी 14 plus 14 plus 14. So BC, or you can say AD, this is also 42 centimeter. So you can say ABCD is a square here. So now let's move to our questions. क्या केस दिया गया, क्या सिचुएशन दिया गया, उसको हमने अच्छे से समझ लिया है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, रिफर डिजाइन 1. मतलब क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 और 2 सिर्फ ये डिजाइन 1 पे ही बेस्ड है. ये डिजाइन 2 का उससे कोई लेना देना नहीं है. सो यहाँ पर द साइड ऑफ इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल इज 12√3 सेंटीमीटर, 32√3 सेंटीमीटर, 48 सेंटीमीटर और 64 सेंटीमीटर. सो यहाँ पर इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल दिया गया है ABC, और if this is center O, suppose this is center O, join BO, AO and AC, or you can draw AO up to D here, and we know this is perpendicular and BD equals to CD here. So ये BO, AO और CO क्या है? These are radius. So this is 32 सेंटीमीटर. और ये सारे एंगल्स इक्वल है. दिस एंगल इक्वल्स टू दिस एंगल इक्वल्स टू दिस एंगल, एंड टोटल कितना है? 360 डिग्री है. सो वन एंगल इक्वल्स टू 120 डिग्री. सो एंगल OBD is here 30 degree, and this is also 30 degree. So you can say we want द साइड ऑफ इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल. सो अगर हम BC निकालना चाहे तो BC इज इक्वल टू BD हियर. सो BD का लेंथ अगर निकाल देंगे हम तो ये BC हो जाएगा. एंड एज इट इज ए राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल, BOD इज ए राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल. तो यहाँ पर एंगल OBD is 30 degree. So you can say BD by BO equals to cos 30 degree. So this implies that BD is equal to BO cos 30 degree. And what is BO? BO is the radius. So 32 into √3 by 2 हो गया BD का लेंथ. So हमें चाहिए BC का लेंथ. तो BC is equal to 2 into 32 into √3 by 2. So 2 cancel, √3, 32 √3 is our answer. So option B is the right answer. So यहाँ से एक डायरेक्ट फॉर्मूला भी आप निकाल सकते हो. ये मैंने आपको पूरा प्रोसीजर बता दिया. अगर एक सर्कल दिया गया है विथ रेडियस R and an equilateral triangle is inscribed in this circle, then the side of equilateral triangle S equals to R √3. So from this formula you can solve this question in 10 seconds. So remember this formula. Now look at question number 2. The altitude of the equilateral triangle is, हमें साइड पता चल गया इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल का, फिर ऑल्टीट्यूड का ऑलरेडी हमारे पास फॉर्मूला है. सो हाइट इक्वल्स टू और ऑल्टीट्यूड इक्वल्स टू √3 by 2s. सो s, what is s here? √3 by 2 into 32 √3. So here it is 16 into √3 into √3. That is 16 into 3, 48 centimeter. So the altitude of the equilateral triangle is 48 centimeter. Option C is the right answer here. Now let's move to question number 3, 4 and 5, which are based on our second design, this design. The area of the square is, we have already discussed, the side of the square is 42 centimeter. This is 42, this is 42. So area equals to 42 square, and 42 square is equal to 1764 centimeter square. So option B is the right answer. Then question number 4, area of each circular design. Each circular design means you have to find out area of the small circles. So this is equal to, R is given 7 centimeter. So pi R square 22 by 7 into 7 into 7. 7 cancel हो गया. 22 into 7 equals to 154. So option D is the right answer. 154 centimeter is the area of each small circle. Then question number 5, area of the remaining portion of the square ABCD is, so this is equal to total area of the square minus area of 9 small circles. So area of the square we know that is 1764 centimeter square minus 9 into 154. This is equal to 1764 minus 9 into 154 is 4 9s are 6, 3, 9 45, 8, then 4, 13. This is 1386. 1764 minus 1386 is 873. So option A, 378 centimeter square is the area of the remaining portion. That means area of total square minus area of 9 small circular design. So this is our case study 1. I hope you are enjoying the video. If you are enjoying, like the video and do subscribe my channel. Now let's move to our next question. Case study 2. A brooch is a small piece of jewelry which has a pin at the back so it can be fastened on a dress, blouse or coat. Designs of some brooch are shown below. Observe them carefully. So design A and design B, two designs are given. So in design A, brooch A is made with silverware in the form of a circle with diameter 28 millimeter. So this distance is 28 millimeter and the entire outer circumference is made up of a silverware. And the ware used for making 4 diameters which divide the circle into 8 equal parts. So we have made the outer circumference of the circle with silverware, and with that 8 circular part, the silverware is dividing the circle into 8 circular parts. So for that 4 straight lines, 4 straight wares are used of length of its diameter, that is 28 millimeter. So in design B, brooch B is made 2 colors, gold and silver. Outer part is made with gold. So this part is our gold and inner part is silver. So the inside part here, this is silver. The circumference of silver part is 44 millimeter. So this inside circumference is given 44 centimeter. From that value, we can find out the inside radius. Then the gold part is 3 millimeter wide everywhere. So this thickness is given 3 mm. So now let's move to the question. So this question number 1 and this question number 2, both the questions are based on design A. The total length of silverware required is 180 mm, 200 mm, 250 mm or 280 mm. So in the question it is given that the outer circumference is made up with silverware, and with that length 4 diameter length silverwares are used to divide the circle into 8 equal parts. So the total length is the perimeter, or you can say 2 pi r plus 4 diameters, that means 8 r, or you can say this equals to pi d plus 4d. So 22 by 7 into 28 mm plus 4 into 28. So we can cancel this. 4 will remain here. 22 into 4 and 4 into 28. So अगर हम 4 common ले लेते हैं, then it will be easy to calculate. So this is 4 into 50. So 200 mm is the length of entire silverware. So option B is the right answer here. Next question number 2. The area of each sector of the brooch. So the diameters or the silverwares are dividing the circle into 8 parts. So area of each sector or each part is total area divided by 8. So here diameter is given. So our R is equal to 14 mm. So entire area of the entire circle pi r square, and area of each sector is pi r square divided by 8. So this equals to 22 by 7 into 14 into 14 divided by 8. So here this is 2. Here we can divide this 4. Then here 7 and 2, 2, 11. So 11 and 7. So 11 into 7 equals to 77 millimeter square. This is the area of each sector. Now, question number 3, 4, 5. These questions are based on our design too. Outer side is gold and inner side is silver. The inner circumference is 44 centimeter. So from that, first let's find out the inner radius. So pi 2 pi r equals to 44. So this implies that 2 into 22 by 7 into r equals to 44. This implies that r is equal to 7 millimeter. I am repeating centimeter again and again, but this is millimeter. So r is equal to 7 millimeter. So what happens for capital R? That is the outer radius. This equals to this width is 3 mm. So 7 plus 3 equals to 10 millimeter. Now let's move to our question. The circumference of outer part is, so now we know the radius of outer part. So circumference is 2 into 22 by 7, or you can take 3.14 into 10. So this equals to 3.14 into 20. So this is approximately 62.86 mm. It is exactly not coming 62.86, but it is approximately 62.86 mm. ये सबसे nearest value है. So our answer is 62.86 mm. Then question number 4, the difference of areas of golden and silver part. So the golden part is the entire outer part and the silver part is the inner part. So the area of golden part is pi capital R square and area of silver part is pi small r square. So the difference is this minus this equals to pi. कॉमन लेंगे हम तो r square capital R square minus small r square. So this is equal to pi into 10 square minus 7 square. So this is pi 100 minus 49. So 51 pi is the right answer here. Option C is the right answer. So question number 5 के ओर बढ़ते हैं. A boy is playing with brooch B. He makes revolution with it along its edge. How many complete revolution must it take to cover 80 pi millimeter? So उसको total distance travel करना है 80 pi millimeter. और हमें पता है एक रिवॉल्यूशन में वो अपना सरकमफरेंस जितना डिस्टेंस ही ट्रैवल करता है एक सर्कुलर ऑब्जेक्ट. सो ये एक सर्कुलर ऑब्जेक्ट है. सो सरकमफरेंस ऑफ द आउटर सर्कल. सो सरकमफरेंस ऑफ द आउटर सर्कल इज पाई 2 पाई आर. दैट इज इक्वल्स टू 20 पाई millimeter and 80 pi distance travel करने. So number of revolution equals to 80 pi divided by 20 pi. So this equals to pi cancel हो गया और ये 4. So 4. So exactly 4 revolution में 80 pi millimeter distance हमारा cover हो जाएगा. So we have solved 2 questions based on areas related to circle. So this is all for today's class. In the next class, we'll solve some case study based questions of other chapters. Till then, work hard, keep studying and do a lot of practice. And like the video and do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you will get all the notifications.